Hi everyone, it's Michelle at the Albert George French Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make magnetic slime with 3 easy ingredients. For the magnetic slime, you will actually need 4 ingredients. You will need water, regular school glue, liquid starch, and these are iron fillings, which you can grab off of Amazon or any store like Lowe's carries these as well. A bowl for mixing, 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon, paper towels, and the recipe I got from littlebensforlittlehands.com. To begin, I'm going to mix 1/4 cup of glue, with 1/4 cup of water. I'm using the same cup. And I'm just gonna use it in spurts. Should have gotten some gloves, but I wasn't thinking. I'm mixing until it's kind of pasty. I'm just watering down my glue. Now I'm pouring in my liquid starch. The liquid starch is what gives it the magic of slime. Wipe off my hands, and I'm going to take my iron fillings. I'm going to add a tablespoon. As you can see, they're little bitty chunks. You can see. Mix until you get all your fillings incorporated. Mine still looks a little dry, so how to fix that is just add little bit of liquid starch. Haha, that's the magic. So even though this recipe does call for 1/4, so it's actually 1/4 equal part of water, glue, liquid starch, and a tablespoon of the filings, you might need a little extra of your starch. We have slime. This out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Now let's test it and see if it worked. Here goes nothing. Awesome. Now you can go have fun with your magnetic slime. For more fun projects like this, visit us at www.fortbend.lib.tx.us. See you soon.